Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, you have to select the settings, then scroll down and open Sounds and Topics. Here you will notice ringtone, simply click on it. And now it's time to select one from the following ringtones, so let's come along with the whole list and then select the one that you like the most. So let's start with Reflection. Then you can also come with some classic ringtones, so as you can see, here is the also whitelist. I will show you 3 of them, for example duck, then old phone, and for example science fiction. Yet I will pick, for example, Presto, and let's go back, and that's it. You've just set up brand new ringtone. In my case it's Presto. Here it is, the notification, so from now on, anytime someone will be calling you, you will hear this sound. So that would be all. So you can change ringtone in your device, in your iPhone 11 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.